Hello everyone, today on Crazecraft Coding we are learning about colossal cruisers. Chapter 1. Allure of the Seas was the largest passenger ship ever constructed. It was one of the most expensive. It cost more than $1 billion to build. That's a lot. It's a new type of cruise ship called the Oasis class, more like a floating vacation resort than a mere ship. Propulsion pods. Propulsion is provided by 3 rudders and molecules called pods under the stern. The pods rotate, so the ship doesn't need rudders. Vital statistics. This super ship is 362 meters long, more than 5 jumbo jets pass nose to tail. It stands 250 feet, 75 meters high, from the bottom of its keel to the top of its smokestacks. The giant ship weighs about 1,100 tons, 99,800 tons. It can carry more than 6,000 passengers on 16 decks, and a crew of 2,384 sail the ship and look after the passengers. The Allure of the Seas is one of 2 Oasis class ships, but the Allure is longer than its sister ship by 2 inches, 15 millimeters. High-class interior. The ship has theaters, nightclubs, swimming pools, an ice skating rink, reclining walls, a zip wire, wave machines, a shopping mall, and even a park. Hull. The ship's hull is made of steel plates, weighing 55,000 tons, 49,000 tons. Lifeboats. 10 lifeboats each carry 370 passengers. Entertainment clubs, one of several small on-board clubs. About 158,000 gallons of paint were needed to paint the Allure of the Seas. There are thrusters. 4 thrusters. 7,500 horsepower each help the ship to maneuver in tight spaces. Bulbous bow, cut drag in water. Helipad, a landing pad for helicopters. Youth zone, an entertainment area for young passengers, and the theatre. The largest theatre can seat 1,380 people. Radar scans the sea for ships and land. Main pool, one of 4 pool areas. Beach pool, a sloping area with shallow water. The ship travels at a cruising speed of 22 knots, 25 miles per hour, 41 kilometers an hour. Allure of the Seas squeezes under the Great Belt Bridge on its maiden voyage. A close call. When Allure of the Seas left its finished shipyard on October 30th, 2010, had to pass underneath the Great Belt Bridge. To avoid this bridge is 65 meters above the water, the same height as the ship. To avoid a spectacular collision, the ship's retractable smokestacks were lowered to cut its height. It moved safely underneath the bridge and headed out into the open ocean.